Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now today I'm up in the loft and I've converted, well, this room is my study, and a couple of years ago we had all the roof insulated with the spray foam insulation, the open cell stuff. Now it's been brilliant, but when it was done I noticed there was some gaps that hadn't quite been filled. So I got the company back, and fair enough, they came back and tried to fill them all. But because it's been cold lately, we've noticed a bit of a draft coming down. So when I've investigated, when I took all the boxes out from the Christmas techies, I've noticed there's still little voids. So today I'm going to be filling them in. So when I was doing the loft, I purposely left doors, openings to get right inside. So this is like where we keep all the Christmas techies and all the rubbish you normally keep in your loft. So you can see the spray foam insulation, which they say it saves a lot on your heating bills. I've never really had the time to check it, but it seems pretty good, and it was very fast. They done our whole loft in half a day, which is quite impressive because the loft's quite big. But as you can see, there's little voids which are letting little drafts through. Now, I seen how they were spraying this, and I'll put the little clip up now. So as you've seen, when they were doing it, they were going side to side. So that's why it's left a little void there. Now when I asked them about that, they said that's how it's supposed to be done. Me personally, I'd have sprayed it down each side to fill in them gaps, but that's the way they done it. So I'm going to fill it in myself because I can't be bothered getting them back again. So all I'm going to use is my standard spray foam gun and just cheap Everbuild expanding foam just to fill in the holes. Right, safety first. Put the glasses on. You don't want to get that stuff in your eyes. It will not come out. Give it a bit of a shake. Right, so I've foamed it all now, and to be honest, even though it was awkward getting in here, it's one of the more fun jobs. You've got to love a spray foam gun. Hours of fun up here. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you next time.